Hello everyone, today I brought you the recipe of besan ke laddu. So let's get started. Here I took a kadai on low flame. I have added half cup of desi ghee in it. Let it melt. Now we will add 3 cups of gram flour or besan in it. Mix it well. Here I am using a spatula for mixing it. Remember to keep the flame medium to low. We have to roast it continuously for 30 minutes. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of suji in it or semolina. Mix it well and roast it well on low to medium flame. You can see the more we are roasting it, it is becoming golden in color and it is also releasing ghee from it. Now after roasting it for 30 minutes, you can see it has attained the perfect consistency. Now we will add some droplets of water in it so that the besan laddus becomes crumbly in nature. Mix it well. Repeat this step for 2 to 3 times. Now our besan mixture is ready, so let's transfer it into a greased plate. Now, with the help of a spatula, we will flatten the mixture uniformly so that it cools down completely and uniformly. Now, as you can see, our mixture has cooled down completely. So now we will add 1 cup of powdered sugar in it and mix it well with the help of our hands. Now our mixture is ready to make laddus. So I have greased my hands. Now we will take some mixture in our hands and make it in the form of laddus. You can see how much nice laddu is formed. So like this only I have made all the laddus. Now I will show you its texture from inside. You can see how much nice it looks and it is also crumbly. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe Manita's cooking classes. Thank you for watching until the end.